This is the guide on how you can register on Facebook. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so first of all, download the Facebook app, and after that, open it. After opening it, this page will pop up. Click on Get Started. After that, enter your first name. And then your surname. Click on Next when you're done. After that, enter your birth date. Once you're done, click on Next. After that, enter your gender. I'm a male, so yeah. Click on Next. After that, you can enter your mobile number, or you can just use an email if you don't really have a mobile number. So I'm gonna go with email. Enter your email here. Once you're done, click on Next. After that, create a password. Once you're done, click on Next. After that, you'll be asked if you want to save your login info. It's totally up to you if you want to save it. I'm gonna save it, so yeah, click on Save. After that, you have to agree to Facebook's terms and conditions. You can read the terms and conditions by clicking on this link. As you can see, it says learn more, this one. Alright, so when you're done, click on Next. After that, Facebook will ask you if you already have a Facebook account, and if you don't have one, you're gonna click on No, create a new account. It may take some time. After that, this page will pop up. You can add a picture here if you have one. So I don't really have a picture for now for my display picture. So yeah, I'm gonna click Skip. And yeah, that's it. It says Raghav, welcome to Facebook. After that, it's you will be asked if you want to turn on contact uploading so you can find your friends faster. I don't really want that, but you can turn it on if it helps you. I'm gonna click on Not Now, Skip. After that, you'll get suggestions. I don't really have any suggestions because I didn't really connect my contacts with my Facebook account. If you do so, you'll see the suggestions here. Okay, once you're done, click on Next. And that's it. That's your Facebook account. You can just scroll through this, and yeah, that's your page, that's your account, and that's pretty much it.